Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best canvas panel set in the 12 by 16 inch category. Whether you're an aspiring artist, a seasoned painter, or someone who loves creative projects, this Simetufy 12 pack of 12 by 16 inch flat canvas boards might just be what you've been searching for. Right off the bat, these canvas boards impress with their generous size and quantity. You get 12 panels, each measuring a full 12 by 16 inches, giving you plenty of space for larger, more detailed artworks or multiple projects without constantly running out of surface. This pack is perfect for those who want to experiment with bigger pieces or simply want enough canvases to keep the creativity flowing. What sets these canvases apart is their construction. Made from 100% cotton, these boards offer a premium painting surface that artists appreciate for its texture and durability. The core is a 3mm MDF board, which means these panels are sturdy enough to resist bending and warping, a common issue with thinner or flimsier canvases. So, you can focus on your painting without worrying about the canvas losing shape over time. Another great feature is the priming. Each panel is coated with acid-free gesso, which provides an ideal surface for paint adhesion. This priming is essential because it not only helps your paint glide smoothly but also ensures your artwork will stand the test of time without yellowing or deteriorating. Whether you prefer acrylics, oils, watercolors, or even tempera, these canvases handle them all with ease. Versatility is key with this set. These canvas boards are designed to accommodate a wide range of painting techniques and styles, making them a fantastic choice for artists who like to switch mediums or explore new creative directions. Plus, because of their flat, sturdy design, they're great for workshops, classrooms, or anyone just practicing their skills. In terms of dimensions, the product measures about 16 inches in length, 12 inches in width, and just under an inch thick, weighing around 6.8 pounds for the entire pack. This makes it easy to store and transport without sacrificing the quality and size of each canvas. If you've been hesitant about using canvas panels over stretched canvases, this product offers a compelling alternative. Canvas panels are easier to handle, more lightweight, and convenient for artists who want a flat surface that won't stretch or sag. Plus, they are generally more affordable, which is ideal for beginners or anyone working on a budget. The Simetufy 12 pack stands out because it balances quality and quantity without compromising on either. The cotton surface is professional grade, the priming is expertly done, and the sturdy MDF backing keeps your work stable. This combination means you can create with confidence, whether it's a detailed oil painting, a vibrant acrylic piece, or a delicate watercolor. So if you're looking for a reliable, high-quality canvas set that provides ample space and great versatility for a variety of paints and techniques, the Simetufy 12 by 16 inch canvas boards could be your perfect match. It's suitable for all skill levels, from beginners wanting to practice to professionals working on larger projects. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're ready to upgrade your art supplies with one of the best canvas panel packs available, this might just be the one to try. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights and reviews. See you next time.